Alright, what's going on, guys? We're going to be working on, not the EG, but we're going to be working on the E36. Look, no one's actually asked about the E36, to be fair, but we had an oopsie. My luck. But it did break down on me when I was driving to work. Yes, I have a day-to-day job. The harmonic balancer ripped off. I should change that quicker, but I just wanted to save up for the next project. But it's alright. It looks like it's going to cost us a little bit more to fix it, which is, it's a little bit annoying, but at the same time, bro, the car's like 25 years old. Like, kind of expect wear and tear, but what we've learned is once it's wearing, don't let it tear. That's it. I should make merch of that. But anyways, we're gonna check if the rear main, because I'll pop a photo up now what the crankcase actually looks like, and the crankcase is pretty much fucking destroyed. I did buy a replacement one for $140 off Facebook Marketplace, which is, I've heard it's ideally cheap, so we'll see what happens. But at the same time, let's see if there's no oil leaking out of the gasket just for now, just because I need the car to run for now. So we're going to jack it up, we're going to check it out, and let's check out the oil as well. So let's do that now. The good old M52 motor. Oh, Jesus. Lord, forgive me. Whew. I do not advise any of this happening, but I might have to go underneath. Okay. Seems to be alright. I know. Before I get flamed in the comments, yep, we know the sump's leaking. Alright, and it's leaking pretty bad.
Hello, Nathan.
Hello, Jane. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
No.
Getting a little late right now, and my mic's and the camera's about to die. But I had a look at it. It's not leaking, so it looks pretty fine. We're gonna drive for now. But anyways, we're gonna go to a Cars and Coffee tomorrow morning. Downshift.
So you're gonna be quick on it, huh? Shit!
Allegedly not speeding. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Yeah, downshift.
Fuck, that actually makes a difference.
Right, it's sick as. Yeah.
Oh, no, no more.
No, that's alright. Downshift. Oosh, bro. Banging the gears in the Subi.
Bro.
Because pretty much like you have all-wheel drive, bro. You're like a train, bro. Like you're on tracks.
Oh, I like
you know
that.
what I mean?
I like both of that.
Thanks, buddy. How are you feeling right now?
I'm frothing it. I feel like I get to really experience it. It feels great.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. You got the performance car. You meant to drive it. Like it's meant to be fucking travel, bro. got like a little zigzag pretty much coming up.
Yeah.
So I would floor a little bit, little throttle control.
Oh,
Yeah.
like how you... Nah. I see your face.
Hell yeah.
I thought I was fucking crashing my clutch before.
Bro, it's gone today. That's it. I mean, behind the car now, good time to keep the car a little bit, to cool it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Once we get in a little bit of traffic. But it's good as well, the tyres are warmed up right now.
Bad.
So you'll get more traction.
Okay.
Like we're not gonna hopefully we're gonna slide
Yeah,
off, but
yeah.
you know what I mean.
More traction than before. Wow, look at it. That's the one.
Alright, it's another day and we're gonna take the E36 to the private roads. We're gonna check if the car's not gonna blow up on us, which it shouldn't blow up on us, but hey, it's all in good fun. So we'll take that and see if how the car performs. Let's say hopefully the harmonic balancer doesn't rip off. And from that, yeah, so I'll pick up the vlog once we hit to the private roads. Alright, this is the first POV, or however you like to call it, driving of the E36. So we're not going to take it heavy, you know, we'll take it light a bit, because I don't know if this mount probably will fall off, I'm not going to lie, but a little bit of the beans, and of course we'll follow all traffic laws because my tyres are a bit bold anyways, so just it'll be a good fun. And there goes my shift knob. What the fuck is with this car? Alright, let's start that again. So yeah, right now we're recording is Easter. Bro, this car is so good, especially for its time now. Holy shit. A little bit of hill to action. Go right here. Everything's falling on the floor. Hell yeah. Let's hope that camera's still on. But hell yeah, this car's freaking boogieing now. Without making weird noises. At times. Alright, not a bad run there. Not a bad run. A little bit of water right there, so we'll take it easy. Allegedly, tyres are a bit bold, allegedly. But yeah, it was actually quite fun doing it at the E36 for once. Hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Okay, we'll let you. That concludes the video. Sorry it was a little bit of jumping around, like we went from Subaru to BMW, like it was just weird mixed around, but just been a little bit sick recently, but we're better now, and I finally took the E36 out for a Touge run, so that was actually pretty cool. At the same time, it was pretty cool getting some of my friends around, getting them to do some Touge runs, which was fucking awesome, and especially the Subaru just rips through it, so maybe I need to get a Subaru in my life, but I don't want to blow up on the side of the road. It will be coming out on what, like an overall view of the EG before I do let it go, because it looks like it is going within the month, so yeah. We're slowly growing, which I'm fucking so proud and so happy of. But at the same time, if you guys want to join the family, feel free, like and subscribe, comment. Hope you guys had a really good Easter and enjoyed your break. And I'll see you next week.